Oh, shit! I wonder if there's something like hit. Huh? What was it? Oh, the transformer or something? Or unless something's hitting the back of that apartment. Well, no, they'd be freaking out. Like if something's like blown into it. Live from Jessica's Landing. Huh?
Yeah.
What are you saying?
What was that? You heard something?
Yeah, I don't know.
Look over there. Look at that rain. See the rain falling with the leaves on it? Electricity's still in.
I don't know. That's something.